Good morning, children. Dear, today we will focus on a chapter number 6, Omana's journey. Dear, yesterday I have sent you one video based on Indian states and their capitals. Why I have sent you that video? Later you will come to know about that. Today we will see the chapter Omana's journey. Do you know what is meant by journey? Journey means traveling. Whenever we are going to travel from one city to another city, from one town to another town, from one place to another place, you can say from one state to another state, and even from one country to another country, it is a journey, traveling. Okay, many of you have traveled by train, by your private vehicle, bus, flights. So all this is called as journey. Okay, and today we will see Omana's journey. Omana is a girl. Okay, and this is her story. Omana and her best friend Radha were very excited. They were very eager. वो बहुत ज़्यादा हैप्पी थे, बहुत ज़्यादा जानने की कोशिश कर रहे थे कि व्हाट विल हैपन टू द नेक्स्ट. उसे कहते हैं एक्साइटमेंट. सो दे वर एक्साइटेड. व्हाई दे वर एक्साइटेड? दे वर गोइंग ऑन अ ट्रिप टू केरला. केरला इज़ अ इंडियन स्टेट, वन ऑफ द इंडियन स्टेट. तो वो वन स्टेट से अनदर स्टेट में ट्रैवल करने वाले थे. दैट्स वाई दे वर वेरी एक्साइटेड. एंड हाउ दे वर गोइंग? दे वर गोइंग बाय अ ट्रेन. Omana was going to her grandmother's house and Radha was going with her family for a holiday. Omana's father had gone to book train tickets for both the families. Yes, many of you have experienced कि अगर हमको ट्रेन से बस से ट्रैवल करना है तो हम टिकट्स बुक करते हैं, फ्लाइट से भी बुक करते हैं टिकट्स, बराबर है. ये आजकल ये ऑनलाइन सिस्टम भी हो गया है, हमको प्लेस पर जाकर भी हम करते हैं. तो यहाँ पर ओमाना के फादर उनके ट्रेन के टिकट्स बुक करने को गए थे, दोनों फैमिलीज़ के. देन व्हाट हैपेंड जस्ट बिफोर 2 days their journey, Radha fell down from her bicycle and fractured her right leg. Oh no, what happened to Radha? She fell down and she got a fracture on her right leg. Her leg was put in plaster. आपको पता है कि अगर फ्रैक्चर हो गया तो डॉक्टर प्लास्टर करते हैं, और प्लास्टर लगने के बाद में उस पर्टिकुलर ऑर्गन को मूव करना नहीं चलता है. तो यहाँ पर राधा के राइट लेग को मूव करने का नहीं बोला था डॉक्टर ने, बट अप टू 6 weeks. Doctor said that she should not move her leg for 6 weeks. Radha's family had to cancel their tickets. On such condition, they couldn't travel. That's why they cancelled their tickets. Who? Radha's family cancelled. The two friends were very sad. Obviously, both of they became very sad. दोनों भी फ्रेंड्स बहुत सैड हो गई. बिकॉज दे मेड लॉट्स ऑफ प्लान्स. बहुत सारे प्लान्स उन्होंने तैयार कर रखे थे, बहुत सारी प्लानिंग थी उनकी कि हम ट्रेन में ऐसा करेंगे वैसा करेंगे. एज दे वर एक्साइटेड, बट व्हाट हैपेंड? दे कुडंट गो टुगेदर ड्यू टू राधा's एक्सीडेंट. ओके, दे हैड मेड सो मैनी प्लान्स अबाउट what they would do together on the trip. Then Radha's amma had an idea. Omana, why don't you write down everything about your trip in a diary? Then when you come back, Radha can read all about your trip. This way you will not forget anything and it will also help you to pass time on the train. Yes. Now what happened? Radha's mother had given a best idea to Omana. About what? About to write a diary. क्या बोला उन्होंने ओमाना को? जैसे ही दोनों फ्रेंड्स बहुत सैड हो गई कि हमने तो इतने सारे प्लानिंग किए थे कि हम ट्रेन में ये फ़न करेंगे, वो करेंगे. अब ओमाना को अकेले को जाना हो रहा था. सो व्हाट विल हैपन? शी विल गेट बोर. सो Radha's mother told her to write each and everything in the diary. So what will happen? Whenever she will return from her trip, Radha will read each and everything written by Omana, and thus what will happen? Omana will not forget anything, and even she can pass the time also in the train. Both the friends thought this was a good idea. Omana went home and found a notebook with blank pages to write all about her journey. Here are some pages from Omana's diary for you to read. And what happened? Omana went to home and she had taken a blank notebook to write the pages, whatever the incidents will happen in the journey. And here is Omana's diary. Omana's diary. 16th May. See, here is a picture of railway station, or you can say railway platform. And here is a clock also. Now see, as soon as we had reached, now see dear, as Omana is writing in the diary, so she will write about herself. मतलब हम गए थे, हमने किया, हमने means we means here it stands for Omana and her family. Okay, now see. As soon as we had reached the station, we checked our names on the reservation chart. You have also seen, whenever you are going to move, your parents are going to check whether their reservations are confirmed or not. Soon the train reached the platform. We saw that the coach was already full. The train had started early in the morning from Gandhigram in Kutch. Yes. Now see what she is telling. Soon the train reached the platform, and soon the train arrived at the platform. We saw the coach. Coach means जो ट्रेन का बोगी होता है, दैट इज़ कोच, वॉज ऑलरेडी फुल. वो बहुत पैक था बिकॉज these were the summer days. The train had started early in the morning from Gandhigram. Now tell me, where is Gandhigram? It is situated at, it's Gandhi Dham dear. Gandhi Dham. Where it is situated? In Kutch district at Gujarat. Okay. When the train came, there was so much confusion. Now train arrived, but there was so much confusion. People were getting off and others were pushing and trying to put their luggage inside. All from one door. Now what happened? Whatever, and in this situation you have also seen, as you are going to travel by train, so you have also faced such situations that people, some were getting off from the train and some are going to get inside the train, and all they are in a hurry. सब हर कोई घाई में होता है. किसी को उतरने की घाई होती है और किसी को ट्रेन में चढ़ने की घाई होती है. किसी को लगेज निकालने की घाई होती है, किसी को लगेज ट्रेन में डालने की घाई होती है. We somehow managed to get in, find our seats and put our luggage under them. Now what Omana is telling, somehow they managed to get in the train and also they have found their seats and put their luggage under them. By the time the train started, most people had found their seats and arranged their luggage. Omana's family also found, and other people also found their seats. After some time, the ticket collector, it is TC, ticket collector, came and checked our tickets to see that we were in our proper seats. Even you have also seen that ticket collector, ticket checker, TC in the train. Here is a picture. In this picture, you can see the ticket collector. Okay. For what she is coming in the train? For checking whether all the passengers are sitting on their proper seats or not. Amma and Appa. Do you know, dear? Amma and Appa means Mama and Papa, mother and father. As Omana is from, actually her native place is from Kerala. That's why here it is mentioned Amma and Appa. Okay. Had the lower berths. उसके अम्मा और अप्पा को, मम्मी पापा को लोअर बर्थ्स मिले थे. Unni and I have the middle berths. Unni means her sister and Omana. They got middle berths. Okay? There were 2 college students who have the upper berths on the other berths. उन्हीं के कोच में 2 कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स भी थे जिनके अपर बर्थ्स थे. देयर इज़ अ फैमिली विथ 2 चिल्ड्रेन. दे सीम टू बी अबाउट आर एज. और एक फैमिली थी 2 चिल्ड्रेन के साथ में, एंड देयर चिल्ड्रेन वर ऑफ द सेम एज ऑफ ओमाना एंड हर सिस्टर उन्नी. आई विल गो एंड टॉक टू देम लेटर. What she decided? Afterwards, I will go and talk with the family later. Okay, children, I hope all of you have understood up to now. On the further part, we will focus on tomorrow. Bye bye. Have a nice day.